2015 Baxterly. We're gonna go through here and show you what we've done. How we doing? We got the house interior painted. We got plugs and switches, lights.
Everything is excellent. Everything
Blinds,
going well. We got
kitchen cabinets.
kitchen
Talk
cabinet.
about what we got done.
Yeah, everything done. Interior painting, baseboard, walls, ceiling lights, all the light fixtures.
Let's go inside and look. And we got 50% of the outside painted. Still, we're gonna get some.
Storm door.
Yeah, we put the new storm doors put in.
It's gonna look really well.
Let's go in here. And we got the flooring ordered.
Yep.
Okay. You can see all this is painted. And all the new blinds are put in. He's gonna make sure all those work. And
Yeah.
what are we doing with the inside? We're gonna paint the inside of these?
Yeah, we've been touching
Okay.
them
All
up.
right. You can see the doors all painted. Did you took care of the hardware?
Well, I'm working on it now.
Yeah. All this is painted. New lights. You see the new lights. Your new plugs and switches. Those are 100% in. There's a couple touch-ups on the interior paint, but it's 95% there. And then all the kitchen cabinets have new handles painted inside and out. So they're done. The guy that's going to be doing the epoxy is going to be here Friday. Doing that, we're going to put all this as all new flooring.
Ceiling.
We're also going to be asphalting that driveway. He's got all the material here for that. He's got there's a new ceiling, so we're going to stomp it and paint it with the new lights there. So that's all the lights are in 100%. The blinds are 100%. Plugs and switches 100%. And we got the interior paint 95%. Let's go upstairs and show you. You can see all of this. Is there we have a switch? So there's a light for that one. And we're going to be finishing these stairs. We're putting a new flooring on that. So
Yeah.
again, you see all the new paint here. We like to put the new toilet and all that in it, and then we're done. But here's a new light in here. Plugs and switches, paint, blinds, all in. So we are missing one, but let's hear what that'll be in. So it's going to be in. We put some door things so it don't tear the walls. There's your new plugs and switches and all that. So this is a closet here. There's a plug new. There's a plug new. So same thing in here. Here's all the paint. Here's your light. Here's all your new plugs. There's the blind there. You just got to put it up. That's right here. I haven't do that before I leave. Again, all this is painted. Plugs, switches, lights, blinds. And same thing in here. So there's that. There's your blinds. All that. So. It's all painted. These are all painted. We left stuff in there, but it's all painted in there. Make sure it's all. When we're done, we'll do another walkthrough. We'll have touch-ups. Everything's going to be done. So again, paint's 95, blinds we're almost 100%. All the lights are 100%. Plug switches are 100%. We painted the cabinets. That's 100%. And we're 50% done with the outside paint. So we'll get all that put together too. That'll be done next week. And then we got to do some point of sale stuff. But all that's getting done also. So that's all that. So this is all painted as we showed. That's all this needs to be painted. So again, if you have any questions, call me 216-703-5740. It's Brett with Key Realty. Thanks. Have a great day.